with your back facing me. I know this is enough.
Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Jessica and my channel here on YouTube is Jessica Tyler. On my channel you'll find cleaning motivation, vlogs, motherhood, and lifestyle videos, as well as what's for dinner and cooking ideas. So today's video is a what's for dinner video, and it is in collaboration with my friend Tiffany. Her channel on YouTube is Smalltown 6. She has a family of 6 and she cooks a whole lot. She has an awesome channel with hauls and recipes, what's for dinner videos, and just tons of cooking. So when you are finished watching this video, head on over to her channel. Be sure to comment on her video and tell her that I sent you. And if you're coming over from Tiffany's channel, welcome, and don't forget to say hi to me in the comments below so I can say hi to you. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this. And without any further ado, let's get started.
Okay, just wanted to show y'all my grocery haul from Kroger. I got 2 packages of this potato gnocchi. I'm going to make a soup with that, and I'll share that with y'all probably in this video. Also got some beef stock, and there was a sale. That's the reason I got 3. I only need 1, and it is also for a recipe this week. This is probably the only non-food item I got. This Dr. Teal's Epsom salt. Also got this coffee to try. We were out of these bread and butter chip pickles, and then I got some red cooking wine, half and half, orange juice and milk, and then some cranberry sauce for another recipe this week, some peanuts, 2 of those, sugar-free, pudding for a low-fat dessert I'll make this week, and then Aiden likes the ramen, and then I got a few snacks for their school lunches, some cheese crackers, goldfish. We were out of coconut oil, grapes, strawberries for their lunches, and Aiden had been wanting these, so I decided to go ahead and get them for school as a treat. And then these fruit snacks that Jack eats. Here are the vegetables I got: celery, broccoli, sweet potatoes, squash and zucchini, potatoes and carrots, and this bag of carrots for a soup that I'm making. And then I picked up some Hot Pockets. This is for a pot roast, and actually got that on sale. Some chicken for a recipe. Those are the meatballs for that recipe. Plums, the boys actually like plums, so I got those, and blueberries, crab meat, and these are all just the packaged potatoes and stuffing. French fries for one of the boys' meals. They're gonna have chicken one night when we have salmon. And then I got these Zap chips, some rice, and then they're always usually out of this Pamela's baking mix, so they had it this time, and so I bought it. But that's pretty much all. Oh, and this pie crust, and that is the haul.
So this first recipe that I'm sharing with you guys is a beef pot roast, and I'm starting off by just trimming the meat. You salt and pepper it on both sides. We're going to sear it in olive oil and then bake it the rest of the way. But before I get to the meat, I'm going to sear the onions, and I'm using 2 yellow onions, flipping them on both sides, then taking those out and putting the carrots in and letting them cook for just a few minutes. After that, we will get to searing the beef and then putting all of the broth in there and the vegetables, and then popping that into the oven. pour in a cup of red cooking wine and scrape up all of the little, I don't know, what do you call them, the crispies or whatever sticks to the pan. And then we'll put all of the vegetables back in, the meat in, and season it, as well as put in the broth. Recipe I'm making for you guys is super simple. It's a meatloaf, and it's 1 to 1.5 pounds of ground beef. You put breadcrumbs in it, an egg, milk, salt, pepper, and onion powder, and then there's a sauce that goes on top, and it is ketchup, mustard, and brown sugar. And pretty much you just mix everything up, put it in your meatloaf pan, and then top it with some sauce. Make sure you make double the sauce because my family loves to have some extra for dipping.
When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before. You had the last word when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. Now I'm here alone, I hate this party and I don't know anyone. We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you although you drive me crazy.
So now I'm just going to share with y'all a little bit of cleaning motivation, and then we'll get into the last recipe, which is a jalapeno popper dip, and it is so delicious.
Ooh. Now we're back where it started. You say you're sorry so we forget about it. Simple as that, but I don't know where my heart is. Still all that I want is you. Yeah, you'll be the death of me, still your medicine. Yeah, I need it. You light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you.
jalapeno popper dip, you will cream the cream cheese, sour cream, and garlic powder so it can be nice and fluffy. Then I hand mix in the shredded cheeses, which is Parmesan and cheddar. Then the jalapenos, which I use fresh jalapenos. I seed them and take all the hot stuff out, and then I mix those in. So it's pretty simple. You just do the cream cheese mixture, then add in the cheese, and then you're going to put this in a dish that you sprayed with some cooking spray so it doesn't stick. Then for the top, you can use breadcrumbs or crackers crushed up. I think for this time I used breadcrumbs, and you're going to mix breadcrumbs into some melted butter as well as some more shredded Parmesan, and then you top it and bake it, and it's super easy. I believe I always bake ours at 350 and just until it gets warm or bubbling so that like all the cheeses are melted. So it's really super easy and everybody loves this also. So I hope you guys enjoyed these recipes.
I won't stop until it's over, but I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over. There is no us no more. No, I'm grasping at straws, trying to save myself. Don't wanna be here alone. No, no. A place we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, don't come back. And I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, I won't come back. I have dreams about us. I just want it to stop, because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and thank you to Tiffany for collaborating with me and sharing some dinner recipes. So when you're finished watching this video, be sure to head on over to her channel and watch her video. Subscribe if you're new there, and don't forget to comment down below if you're new to my channel so I can say hello to you. I hope you will enjoy these recipes, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!